Welcome back. In this video, we're just going to upgrade our code a bit using a binary heap priority queue. So this is the priority queue we wrote earlier in the course. We were doing things like with a hospital priority queue. So I'm going to get rid of that. I copied it over. I'm not just altering the original. And we can actually leave everything the same. So we have NQ and DQ, and it's the same interface. It takes a value and a priority, a value and a priority. So all that we have to do now is just add our code into this file here. There's a node class, but we don't have to interact with that. The priority queue does. If you have never seen this code, definitely recommend you check that out first. It's a lot going on, but it's much faster than doing our naive priority queue here. Then we'll just take everything else like this. Oh no, I just deleted it all. Copy it and move it over here. And I'm going to put it up top, I think, so that we have the weighted graph class first, and then I'll move all of these variables and method calls down to the very bottom. And if we take a look, there's a lot of code going on here, but we have our weighted graph, which interacts with the priority queue, which is a binary heap. This priority queue implementation uses a node class, and then at the bottom, we're creating our graph, we're adding the edges, and then finally, we're testing it out. So, moment of truth, and it still works. If you made it through the binary heap section, you should know that this implementation of a priority queue is much faster than a naive version just using an array. Even though the binary heap itself is stored in an array, the way it works is much more efficient than a traditional just sorting the array over and over and over and picking the minimum value. Alrighty, so that's just upgrading our code a bit.